The Revelation Spiritual Home is an institution that reveals spiritual revelations and propels the African Indigenous person to embrace and love all that is good and just about Indigenous Africa. Often the significance of spiritual institution in today's society is questioned. The Revelation Spiritual Home, founded and led by Imboni Dr. uZwi-Lezwe Radebe, has proven over and over again that spiritual institutions are holistic and always seek to improve, empower, and enlighten for the people. Ikhaya, since its conception, has equipped the youth with portable skills for their benefit and also so they can transfer them to others. Being equipped with these skills by the home does not mean that you are propelled to work for Ikhaya. This is so that you too can go out there and make something of your life, especially youth that come from disadvantaged backgrounds. An extension of Ikhaya, Trillion Card Holding is always in search of individuals who have a love for people, who are always ready and willing to share and transfer their knowledge and skill set for the purpose of fulfilling the mandate of African restoration as per Imfundiso Zimboni. Let us take a look at a youth that has been empowered by Imboni and now wants to share their skills with others.
Kuhle masosha kuhle othethayo ngokhanya khamnqa undala umncothu umomani ungqongqotholo simoka umuka izinto ezingafanele kufa ezifanje kuba kufiwa. Masosha ngithanda udlulisa umbulelo kutata Imboni uZwi-Lezwe ngethuba lomsebenzi athe wandipha lona. Ndisebenza under i-Trillion Card eKZN Ikhaya labantu branch. Tata ngithanda udlulisa umbulelo kakhulu because ithuba lomsebenzi lelafika khona apho benzana ulahlekelwa ngomsebenzi kwicompany thizeni ebendisebenzela. Ndibulele kakhulu imfundiso zakho tata because if mhlambe bengekho ngazo ezomfundiso engabe ngoku umuntu wasithengisa esithengisela imali. Ndibulela kakhulu also i-management ngothando lwenu, ndibulela i-patience, ndibulela i-willingness to teach us umsebenzi because akho experience engako endinayo. Ndibulela ukusigruma kwenu because namhlanje ndiyakwazi ukuma phambi kwabantu ndithethe nabantu, namhlanje ndiyakwazi ukuthi ndisebenzisane ne-groups zabantu, namhlanje ndiyakwazi ukuphuma ngaphandle ndibuild i-relationships with ama-companies wangaphandle. Ndibulela kakhulu ukusifundisa kwenu, ndibulela kakhulu i-patience yenu, ndibulela kakhulu ukusiqoqozela uba njalo senze ngaphezu kokwesikwenzayo. Ndibulele tata because ukhona unyaka apho washare ne-youth usithi ukuba lo mfana ongenamama ongenatata omncinane omi phambi kwenu youth uyakwazi ukuthi enze izinto ezinkulu ngolihlobo, uyakwazi ukuthi aphathe i-institution enkulu ngalendlela, wena yintoni ekuhlulayo. Ndiyabulela kakhulu tata because lonto iye yandiphusha kakhulu ndingabambeleli kwipast yami, ndingabambeleli kwizinto ezingangeke zindakhe but ndiqhubeke ndiphushe empilweni. Ndiyakwazi ukuzibhatalela i-rent endaweni e-right kakhulu, ndiyakwazi ukuthi ndibeke ukutya phezu kwetafile, ndiyakwazi uba ndizinxibise. Ndiyabulela kakhulu tata ithuba undiphe lona. Ndibulela nokuba ndingomnye wabantu abathe baba nethuba lokusebenza ikhampani isaqala, isayintsha, isengumntwana because iyothi iyofikela kolonqanaba elikhulu. Ndibe ndijonga ezantsi ndisithi ndafika ekhampani isencinci okanye ikhampani ndafika esaqala. Ndiyabulela kakhulu tata, ndiyabulela kakhulu ukuba yipart ye-Trillion Card, ndiyabulela kakhulu ukuba yipart ye-winning team.
Kuhle masosha kuhle. Lo khulumayo uThamsanqa wakaMakhathini Gqabhasho ozala intombi yakaMakhathini ozala insizwa yakamvulana endleleni enculashi. Ngizothanda ukuzodlulisa ubufakazi bami nonkosikazi wami namhlanje. Masosha sizodlulisa ukubonga phansi kaBhungane, phansi kwaThimkhulu ngelengele. Masosha sifikela ekhaya sibancane besizele for impilo zethu. Basafika phansi kwesandla sababa, ubaba wasinakekela, wasikhombisa impilo, wasikhombisa ukuthi uma uthi ufuna ukuba yindoda, ufuna ukwakha i-future, ufuna ukukhula ngendlela e-right, kumele uphile kanjani. Ngiyimagine ukuthi if kuthiwe le ndawo la ekhaya spiritual home azange saba khona ngabe nguphi na. Namhlanje sodlisa ubonga nonkosikazi wami phansi kwaBhungane namasosha wonke because of konke okwenzakalile nesandla samasosha sikhona. Masosha njengoba kade kuyi-pandemic kunzima ubaba njengoba ebonisiwe ukuthi sazoba nzima kakhulu, kodwa thina singabantwana phansi kwababa azange sabuye sahlupheka, azange salamba, azange saphelelwa umsebenzi. Bekade imisebenzi ikhona because of silidwa ngumuntu othunyiwe ezweni osiguidayo njalo misihlezi ngaphansi kwakhe uyasigayida asikhombisa indlela azange alikho nelilonge li1 kwathi isalary yashoda imali ishodile imali ayikho sizothanda ukubonga kakhulu baba because of izinto ezenzakalayo esizibonayo nabanye sibabonayo abaphumile abahambile uthola ukuthi abazali bethu abakwazi ukubona into yenzayo because abazali bethu babuye kube yibo abakhuluma kambi ngebandla if mase kukhona into engahambanga kahle bephinde bekhulume kabi bathi sasiyuzwa sasenziswa yonke lento le thina amasosha sizinikele umhlatshelo wethu uzolekelela ubaba ngeke silingane sonke wonke umuntu nendlela yakhe one day ubaba wathi umuntu nomuntu ubizele kumele ijeni yakhe kunendlela yakhe umuntu amele ayifulfile sonke sibizelwe kuzofulfilla something ngeke silingane kuyo yonke indawo so sisalingana sibonga kakhulu baba ngishadile namhlanje nonkosikazi sikhulile kakhulu siyakhula futhi sakhula kakhulu sazobuya sobonga futhi obunufakazi because of nje izo ayishumi zamasosha yiwo amasosha yiyo neguidance kaBaba amasosha yisibonga kakhulu ukusupporta amasosha supportayo insupporta ukuthi anakekele ibandla kuphela ninakekela even nathi siseduzane noBaba nathi nasinakekela njengoba sibahle kumele sibonakale uthi uBaba one day kumele umAfrican ubonakale kungabe sengathi awubonakala ukuthi kwenzakala nempilweni yakho kumele kubonakala empilweni yakho usikwenzana sibonga kakhulu baba iguidance yakho
kuhle masosha kuhle okhulumayo nombuso wakasibiya oshadele kaMvuyana baba sicela ukubonga kakhulu ngempatho onayo nothando sibonise lona nokusinakekela sibonge nasemasosheni ukusupport ubaba ngoba maye support ubaba kuphakama ngobaba kuphela kuphakama nathi sicela ukubonga nje kakhulu ngibonge nomshado baba ngiyabonga ngishadile ngihleli kamnandi umshado wami umnandi Zulu
kuhle baba kuhle emasosha igama lami uPretty wakade basho umnguni ugama afunza fulela umncalo wanetha ulifule imvuno ozalwa intombi yakongusi fola ufakathi uthintana khabe khulu masosha ngiphakathi kwalendawo ngizobonga kubaba ngibonga ukuthi ungiphe umsebenzi ngise trillion card ubaba wangithatha kangisebenza erobotini ngikhipha amaphepha sidayisa izindlu wangithatha ubaba wangipha umsebenzi trillion card so ngizo appreciate ubaba ukuthi wangisiza wanginika umsebenzi namhlanje kubanda kangaka ngaphandle ngifudumele namhlanje umsebenzi ingekho iphelile imisebenzi wangithatha ngizoklina trillion card but uthema ubona ukuthi kukhona okunye engikwaziyo wangithatha wangifaka ngisefactory ngibonge futhi baba ukuthi since sikule pandemic ekhona kulobunzima esibhekene nabo la ngaphandle mina abantu baphelelwe imisebenzi abantu abasebenzi phelile imisebenzi kunzima emizini kunzima la ngaphandle kodwa mina ngikhona mina la ngiyasebenza ngiyadla since kuyi lockdown ke kwavalwa ku level 5 but thina besihola ku level 5 abantu bebethola imali engaphelele but thina besithola imali ephelele phansi kwakho baba siyabonga ngiyakubonga kakhulu uBhungane
kuhle masosha kuhle okhulumayo asanda wakanye uthanda ukubonga baba uZwi-Lezwe ngale opportunity angiphe yona because like ekufikeni kwami ekhaya lomoya I didn't know anything I didn't have any experience when it comes to industry then ekuqaleni kwami ngiqale kwi-crew whereby ngiyomfana omncane obeka bamba amakhebule but today I'm working at Trillion Card under Abazi production whereby ngi-camera operator, editor and a boom swinger without any qualification or without ukuya esikoleni but under i-guidance kababa umboni uZwi-Lezwe like sengambe indawo eziningi ngishuta ezinye indawo I didn't know ukuthi okay maybe now one day ngiyofike lana but through baba uZwi-Lezwe ngihambile indawo eziningi So now I can shoot, I can edit, of which bekuyiskill benginganaso, like bekuyinto bengingayazi about editing and stuff, but naku today yabona I am able to shoot and edit plus nokwenza i-boom swing and stuff, of which I'm really grateful yabona for that opportunity yabona, and ngibonga kakhulu kuba uZwi-Lezwe. Then okunye masosha ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu because 2018 bengiyi-part of i-team whereby besiyoshootha i-movie yase-America but besiyishuthela la eSouth Africa, whereby I've gained a lot of experience with, okay, makushuthwa i-movie kwenziwa this and that kanjalo kanjalo, of which to me it was something big, you understand. So like namanje ngiyasho ukuthi okay ngiyabonga kakhulu kuba uZwi-Lezwe, but akupheleli lapho masosha ekushutheni ek-editheni and stuff, even nala e-Trillion Cuts siyagruma and stuff yabona, things like ama-skills development package siyagruma and stuff, ukuthi nathi sazi ukuthi okay emsebenzini usiphatha kanjani, employee imelenza kanjani and stuff, of which kwezinye indawo leyo nto it's a course yabo, whereby kumele uyibhadalele and whatsoever, but thina la e-Trillion Cuts sithola mahala, of which nalapho still kusaseyiyo i-guidance kababa uMboni uZwi-Lezwe, of which we are really grateful ngale nto leyo baba uZwi-Lezwe asenzela kona. Like kuningi izinto ubaba uZwi-Lezwe asenzela zona and stuff, of which mina personally I'm really grateful. So like I'm so privileged to be under the guidance yakababa uZwi-Lezwe, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity angiphe yona. So nami I'm still willing to work more yabona, and ngizimisele kakhulu nasemsebenzini wami, because such opportunities these days are so scarce, and if you notice nowadays it's so hard ukuthi uthole umsebenzi not unless unama connections, but thina baba uZwi-Lezwe usasiphile le opportunity, of which I'm really grateful for yona. Zolo
sanibonani masosha, igama lami nguDudu Ngwakangwenya, la KZN ngumaka Asanda. Ngithatha leli thuba lokubonga kakhulu ubaba umprofeti ubaba uZwi-Lezwe ukuthi anikeze umntanami imathuba amahle kangaka, umgrumile kakhulu. Abantwana abangangaye into abazenzayo ziyaxaka kakhulu, abantwana akhule nabo, abafana akhule nabo, izinto abazenzayo babhema amahunga benza ini, kodwa thina sibonga kakhulu singabakangwenya ukuthi uAsanda ungaphansi kwesandla sikamfihlakalo, umntwana olalelayo, imfundiso ayithole lapho eRevelation. Sibonga kakhulu ngoba njena ushintshile nje, umntwana nje o-different, ongafani nabanye abantwana. We are proud of him kuko konke, kodwa sibonga ubaba umprofeti. Sicela ukuthi ubaba umprofeti ke lesipho sakhe sikhule kuwo wonke umuntu, asize nabanye abantwana. Into amenzele yona ngesiphinde siyikhohle empilweni yethu singabakangwenya la emadadeni KZN. Sithi khula Revelation, angayeke esontweni. Yabona nje asisabi, ngisho sila eKZN asisabi lutho ngoba siyazi ukuthi ungaphansi kwesandla sikamfihlakalo. Siyazi nje kwangeke sithola ama-calls ukuthi wenzeni ngoba nje umuntu ohlala esesontweni enza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Hlale njalo ke baba umprofeti, sibonga kakhulu baba uZwi-Lezwe. Kwande nala uthathe khona. Khulilwa Asanda, mningi umsebenzi osewazi, mningi kakhulu. Sebenzela ibandla. Siyabonga kakhulu Zulu.
Kuhle Blue Nation, igama nguVuyisile Mjezu aka Fila Jazz. I'm an employee at the Trillion Cut Company and a keyboard player at the Revelation Spiritual Home. I love this Afrocentric indigenous music because it transcends the energy and the healing power amongst iSizwe Samasosha and Africans as a nation. I come from a musical family background which gave me an opportunity to perform in community events, in entertainment venues, ceremonies, colleges, and one of the university in Gauteng. It is my passion to to forward this skill to the passionate youth of the Revelation Spiritual Home who wants to become the future composers, the future directors, kings and queens in the music industry. So if you are interested, please email me at kuhle kubaba imboni yakwantu, kuhle nakumasosha, okhuluma nguVuyisile Mjezu, ndizalwa intombi yomntungwa Mbulazi umzilikazi kaMashobane uNdlanga Amandla. Masosha the keyboard player yase the Revelation Spiritual Home. Dibonga ukuba naphansi kwabaphilisi bomoya, where I'm getting a lot of experience because we are really fortunate ukuholwa imboni enevision njengobaba umboni uZwi-Lezwe, because outside ama-keyboard players they are suffering manje njengoba siku-lockdown, abanamagigi, and then they have to face ama-consequences ukuthi bayenza ama-side hustle where abasusa from lento bayenza, which is music. So mina I'm very grateful because it has always been my dream ukuthi one day ngicule nami stadium, nami ngicule ekhalo moya. I'm more privileged ukuba ngaphansi kwesandla semboni baba uZwi-Lezwe and worshiping under a true African restoration and spirituality e-indigenous, because manje sengiya-understand ukuthi lento engiyenzayo izisa okuhle kokhokho bami, izisa okuhle egameni lami, futhi ne-generation ezoza emva kwami nayo izabe ibusisekile through lokhu engikwenzayo. Manje ngiyabonga kakhulu baba i-opportunity onginikeze yona.